3 such amazing home gadgets for winter that even your family will say, wow, after seeing them. First, if you're a university student, like the video. And if you're a school student, like and subscribe to the channel as well. Number 1. Glitter remover. In winter clothes, lint often comes out and they look bad. So get this gadget. With its help, you can very easily remove lint from your sweater, making it look as good as new again. Number 2. These are electric hand gloves. Connect them to a power bank and they'll heat up instantly. Keep your hands safe from the cold, especially perfect for motorcycle riders. Number 3. This is a water heating machine. Set your desired temperature in it, and it will heat your water instantly. Drink instant hot water in the cold.